I am introduced myself as K. Santana Mayangar, a practicing senior advocate. I got enrolled in 1972 and dealt with lot of civil, criminal and service matters. I, I am also an academician and joined the law faculty in 1975 and worked up to 1998. At present, I am instrumental in guiding young advocates and also solving their problems and also handling cases which they find it difficult to handle. I never turn out any advocate who seeks my help and guidance. Now the present the present hot topic is COVID-19, about which I would like to speak, having a connection with the plight of advocates. COVID-19 is not a God-sent virus, but it is a human-created one. This is nothing but domination of two superpowers, namely China and USA. The roots of COVID-19 was sown in the shores of Wuhan, China, and the theory put forth is that the laboratory in Wuhan is worked with United States scientists. The main aim and ambition of these two superpowers is to displace our country from development. Our country is recognized as one of the developing economies and also one of the major superpower in Asia. We have been crippled financially, economically and from other angles due to the COVID-19. We have found many people being affected with COVID-19 and also sent to the various hospitals for treatment. Thanks to our revered Honorable Prime Minister and our revered Chief Minister, the COVID-19 has been controlled to the maximum extent by self-restraint and also by social distancing and also following certain norms and regulations. We are really thankful to the police as well as the sanitary staff who have, and also the doctors, to speak the least, who have rendered human service in eradication of COVID-19 to the maximum extent possible. Let us hope that and trust that this COVID-19 is a temporary factor and would vanish by human cooperation and also following the norms and guidelines and also highlighted in the Arogya Setu app in our telephone. Now coming to the plight of advocates, they are a noble profession. It is a self-employed profession. Many of the people seek to join the legal profession to make a living and also to serve the needy and people in distress. The most affected profession today is the legal profession, where we have been confined to the households and we cannot even work from home because we don't have contact with clients who are unable to come to our offices. We hope and trust the government of Telangana as well as the union government would come to the rescue of the legal profession and also permit advocates to attend to the court work and also attend to the urgent legal duties, of course following social distancing and the other norms and guidelines initiated by the Arogya Setu as well as by our respective leaders. Thank you very much.